Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can research YouTube video ideas for getting more views. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now the most common method is you have to go to YouTube and let's say if you want to search for how to create. So usually this is the most search thing on Google. So people are actually searching for this. So you can go ahead and make a video on any of this. Now the second best option is by going to your channel's dashboard and go to your analytics. And now YouTube has a research tool over here. You simply go ahead and click on it and we will input how to create. And as you can see, it has populated a list. So the most highest search is how to create a YouTube channel. So if you check over here, the search volume is the highest for this. So if you make a video on this, there is a high probable chances that your video will get more views as compared to some other video that you will make randomly. So if you click on this, so another pop-up will open and it will show you what all videos are currently doing good on the same topic. So if you check this video is by Think Media. It has got like 3 million views and it was like 2 years back, and this one is like 1.1 million views. So you can do your research by this. And also let's take an example, like your channel already has a lot of videos, then it will also show what your viewers are actually searching for. So mine is like a very small channel with only around 20 subscribers and not much video. So there is nothing over here. But if your channel is already big, you can have a look at it. So that's it for today's video. In case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.